Earlier this year I got to do some study in the book of Joel, and in this book Joel is calling the people's attention to something that has happened in the land. There's been a catastrophe happen, and this catastrophe has changed people's lives, and the places where people used to find comfort and routine and security have been taken from them. Also, Joel reminds the people of the day of the Lord, and in that he reminds them to focus on the eternal and not the temporal, and for them to lift the gaze. And in Joel chapter 2 we read these verses. It says, "Yet even now declares the Lord, return to me with all your heart, and weeping and fasting, and rend your heart and not your garment." And in this time where comfort, security, probably routine is being taken away, the people are encouraged to come to the Lord and to bring all their heart and to come to Him and be broken before Him and draw close to Him. Also, just this week I was reading in Luke's Gospel and the account where the angels come to the shepherds and announce them the birth of Christ. And at first we read that the shepherds were fearful. And in the midst of being fearful, the angel's message to them is not to be afraid, because we bring you good news of great joy which is for all the people. And He is Christ Jesus the Lord. There's a rescuer being born, and He is active and present and very close in these times. And the thing I was challenged by again is He is the Lord. And the more we'll submit and surrender to His Lordship, the more we'll experience His rescue, His salvation. And it might not be that the circumstances change, but we'll know life and be hope in these times of uncertainty.